Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing some question answers of a poem Coromandel Fishers. So without any delay, let's start. The first question says, who is the poet addressing in the poem? That means to whom the poet is calling out. So the answer is, the poet is addressing the other fishermen in the poem. Second question says, with what is the wind being compared and why? So, the poet is comparing the wind with something, and what it is? The wind is being compared with a child here because, as a child who doesn't sleep all night but at the morning it's sleeping calmly, just like that, the wind which was blowing roughly at night now is calm as a sleeping baby. So, the wind is being compared with a child here. The next question is, according to the poet, what is wealth of the tide? So, according to the poet, fish is the wealth of the tide. Next question says, whom does the poet refer to as the kings of the sea? And why does the poet say so? So, the answer says, the kings of the sea is referred to the fishermen, and the poet calls himself and the other fishermen the kings of the sea because the sea is their kingdom. Its leaping wealth, that is the fish, belongs to them, so making them the king of the sea. Next question says, the sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What does the above line imply? So you have to explain it in your own words. So the answer says, according to the poet, the sea is our mother because the fishermen are born near sea and brought up there. Like mother, the sea feeds them. They earn their livelihood by selling fish. Therefore, they call the sea their mother. Secondly, the cloud is our brother because clouds helps them during their work. They guide them. And lastly, the waves are our comrades all because waves help the fishers by controlling their speed so that the boats of the fishers will not be drowned. Our next question says, sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove. What other sweet things does the poet talk about? So, what are the other things that the poet is talking about here? So, the answer is, the other sweet things that the poet talks about are sands at the full over moon, sound of the voice of their relatives that they love, the kiss of the spray, and the dance of the wild foam's glee. So, these are the other sweet things that the poet is talking about. And B part question is, according to the poet, what is sweeter than these sweet things? So, what is the most sweetest thing? So, sweetest among them is the kiss of the spray and dance of wild foam's glee. Okay. Our next question says, why do you think the poet asks the fishermen to follow the track of the seagull's call? So, why do you think that the poet is asking all the fishermen that they should follow the track of the seagull's call, like from where the seagull's voice they can hear? So the answer says, the poet asks the fishermen to follow the track of the seagull's call because in those days the call of the seagull was what directed fishermen towards the fish. So if you want to know where the fish are, so you should follow the call of the seagull. Our next question says, the sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. So you have to identify the figure of speech used in this line. So according to these lines, the figure of speech used are the metaphor. Okay. And our last question says, when two words rhyme because of similarity of spelling, it is called an I rhyme. So you have to find an example of an I rhyme from the poem. Think and then write some I rhymes of your own. So from the poem, it can be delay, away, mother, brother, shade, and glade, and rest you can write from your own. So, guys, this was the question answers of our poem Coromandel Fishers. I hope that you understood it well and you enjoyed it too. And if you did, kindly like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Till the time, take care. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.